Good evening and welcome again to Grill on a Friday night. And we've just about got through to the end of January. It's taken about 8 weeks to get through January. I reckon it's been a bloody long time. And with a few people from over the border in England, you've hardly been in lockdown yet. We've had, what is it, about 5 weeks, 6 weeks? And to be honest, anybody who has now not got an alcohol problem and hair that looks like they've been shagged in a public car park is frankly not entering into the spirit of it. Right, okay, we're going to have a change tonight. Instead of me starting, we have got young Mr. Hawkins, who I can see on the little Muppet box is all geared up and ready to go. So off you go, Michael, while Alan goes to get his beer.
Okay. Ooh. This is called Steal Away. Steal away, let's steal away. No reason left to stay. For me and you, let's start anew. And darling, let's steal away. Let's steal away and chase some dreams and hope they never find us. The dreary days, the empty nights, we'll leave them all behind us. Oh, steal away, let's steal away. No reason left to stay. For me and you, let's start anew. And darling, let's steal away. We'll leave behind the city streets, the gloom and desolation, the rain and cold, just growing old. God knows it's a hard old station. Oh, steal away, let's steal away. No reason left to stay. For me and you, let's start anew. And darling, let's steal away. We'll leave with just our memories and make a new beginning. We have to choose to win or lose. It's time we started winning. Oh, steal away, let's steal away. No reason left to stay. For me and you, let's start anew. And darling, let's steal away. Steal away, let's steal away. No reason left to stay. For me and you, let's start anew. And darling, let's steal away.
Gorgeous.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Lovely as always there, Mike. Makes a change from me kicking off. There's quite a few people coming in here, and I'll have to see who they are. Right, but for the minute, we are going up to Capel Curig.
Good evening.
He's already unmuted. You're going to get some snow tomorrow, I understand, Alan.
So they say. I think tomorrow night, Sunday morning.
What sort of altitude's Capel Curig?
I'm at 629 feet, so my house is...
629, that's exactly, in fact, 30 feet less than I am.
There you go.
I'm right on the 200-metre contour.
Well, there you go. So you're probably before I do.
Right, okay, so before we get snowed in, let's get cracking.
Right, this is a song of mine I wrote about 2 years ago when I was in the Dolomites. I was with a very annoying person, so I had nothing else to do in the rain but sit in a tent and write a song. And it's called Road Trip, and it's about a road trip. It could be about a life trip. It's called Road Trip. Driving down the road through the pouring rain, those red tail lights are driving you insane. White lights flashing by you through a cloud of spray. The good news is you're finally on your way. The miles are slipping by you, nothing can deny you the journey to that place and all it means. The sounds are rushing by you, the journey starts to tire you, but you're holding on till you can reach your dreams. Road trip, I'm going on a road trip. Road trip, ain't nothing like a road trip. So keep those roads a-coming, for the motor's still running all the way to your dreams. Your dreams are getting nearer, your mind's becoming clearer, but still you've got a long, long way to go. So keep your concentration, look for that next gas station, top up that tank and get back on the road. Road trip, I'm going on a road trip. Road trip, ain't nothing like a road trip. So keep those roads a-coming, for the motor's still running all the way to your dreams. Now your dreams are here, but they've been waiting there for years, and your hearts are pounding like it's never been. So pull into your destination and savor that sensation, 'cause you finally arrived at your dreams. Road trip, I'm going on a road trip. Road trip, ain't nothing like a road trip. So keep those roads a-coming, for the motor's still running all the way to your dreams. Road trip, I'm going on a road trip. Road trip, ain't nothing like a road trip. So keep those roads a-coming, for the motor's still running all the way to your dreams. Running all the way to your dreams. Running all the way to your dreams.
Cracking song. Was this person really, really annoying? Am I muted?
No, I think
Oh.
he's
Has he
he's
gone?
refusing to say who it was.
Oh.
Who was the really annoying
Oh,
person,
he-
Alan? Do we know?
No, it's someone I used to work with, and I can tell you a story if you've got time. So he was an annoying person anyway. I didn't really know how annoying he was until the way back from, we were driving through Bavaria and we were in a car doing 100 mile an hour down the Autobahn, and he came right up behind a Mini. I mean, when I mean right up, I mean a foot away from his bumper. And of course, the bloke in the Mini was a bit, he just touched his brakes a bit. The worst thing he could have done, because then I was in a Fast and Furious film, because the pair of them, that's both the drivers, started chasing each other down the motorway at 120 mile an hour, overtaking, moving each other across, blah, blah, blah. And in the end, the chap that I'm with pushed this chap up the slipway. And I thought, that's a one-off, and I thought, what was that for? He said, oh. And he did the same with a coach when we got back into this country. So, yeah, I mean, if I'd have known that before I went, I would never have gone for 3 weeks to the Dolomites with him.
Yeah. Merchant banker.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, okay, thanks Alan. We'll hopefully see you again later. So we have got Mr. John Tenoy, Mr. Lovin Warburton.
Hello. Hello.
Who, the more astute will see that is in a different room because yet again this week he kicked a glass of wine over his laptop and is bodied it up.
I went to reach for it and knocked it over.
Threw it.
All over my laptop.
I do it every week.
I did it on the coffee table last time. It missed the computer. This time, I got the first prize. So, one of those things, you know, you have to laugh it off, even if you're crying in your beer. Here's an oldie for you. Yellow is the colour of my true love there in the morning when we rise. In the morning when we rise, that's the time I love the best. Blue's the colour of the sky. When we rise, that's the time I love the best. Green's the colour of the sparkling corn in the morning. When we rise, in the morning, when we rise, that's the time I love the best. Mellow is the feeling that I get when I see her. When I see her. That's the time I love the best. Without thinking of the times when I've been low.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah, thank you.
You'd almost be there, couldn't you?
Nice.
And
Have you still got your
my
flares
wife
on,
has
John?
a very opposite poem, which was written after last week's escapade.
Or even this week's escapade.
This is a poem that I wrote yesterday morning. And strangely enough, it's called Spilt Liquid. I wonder why we never realise spilt liquid magically swells in size. A cupful spilt on table or floor seems to become a gallon or even more. And once the liquid has been set free, be it water, wine or cup of tea, for seconds you stand and look and stare at so much liquid everywhere. Then frantically as you mop it, things dry, you don't know whether to laugh or cry, as you work out just how much it'll cost to replace those soaked items that you've lost. Thank you.
That's a rhyming poke in the eye, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, just a little.
I hope you're taking it out of his allowance, Carol.
Well, that poem is a constant reminder.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
I'll bring it out from time to time and just refresh his memory.
Right, okay. Thanks a lot for that, Carol. Right, we're going down to Kent now for Ian. We've missed Ian for a couple of weeks. You haven't had the lurgy, have you?
The what?
You haven't had the lurgy?
No.
Where
I
in,
don't know.
where in Kent are you, Ian?
Seven Oaks in Kent.
I'm from Canterbury.
Congratulations. Are you more COVID than we are, or are we more than you?
I don't know. I think you're a bit more than we are.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
think we're on the way down now.
We're on the way down now, yeah. We're doing all right.
Yeah. We invented the second dose, and now we're exporting it. Busy Right. Here's one. Yours is the first face that I saw. Think I was blind before I met you. Don't know where I am. Don't know where I've been. But I know where I wanna go. Remember the time you drove all night just to meet me in the morning, and I thought it was strange. You said everything has changed. You felt as if you had just woken up, and you said, this is the first day of my life. So glad I didn't die before I met you. Now I don't care. I could go anywhere with you, and I'd probably be quite happy. So if you wanna be with me, with these things there's no telling. We just have to wait and see. But maybe this time is different. I mean, I really think you like me.
I was just thinking I haven't had my tablets this evening. But that'll do me.
Oh, yeah, we've missed you. We've really missed you here.
You're
look
too
forward
kind.
to
You really are a welcoming bunch. Thank you.
Right, the reason I put myself on later was normally when I kick off I do something sort of fairly lively. This one isn't. In fact, it's unashamedly a funeral song, really. I heard this at Dragon's Breath sung by the wonderful, wonderful Frank Hives. And it's a song written and recorded by a Californian group called Venice. And if you like harmonies, go and listen to Venice, because they are absolutely bloody wonderful. Anyway, it's called The Family Tree. Branches in the wind, standing together. One more storm to weather, we'll get through it yet. So we're gathered here, holding on to each other, to let go of another one we won't forget. As we say goodbye to one of our own, we may be lonely, but we're not alone. Though the leaves will fall, the tears will flow, may it always comfort us to know the family tree will always grow. Father down to son, mother to daughter, thicker than water, we are made of this. From the earth we can rise, to the earth returning. We'll keep the candle burning for the ones we'll miss. And when we say goodbye to one of our own, we may be lonely, but we're not alone. Though the leaves will fall, the tears will flow, may it always comfort us to know the family tree will always grow. Stronger than the it's good to get the first time out of the way.
That's the softer side of John Shepherd.
Yeah. Oh, like it. More of it, John.
It doesn't come out much. He's got that gruff, that dry, gruff exterior, hiding a dry, gruff interior. And
It'll be back. It'll be back. Don't worry. The miserable bastard that you've grown to love all these years will soon be back. Don't worry. But talking about harmonies, we've got Neil and Shireen back again. What a treat!
Thank you.
yeah, lovely.
Well, you say that. We've only practiced this song half an hour ago, like.
I mean, it might be even more miserable than usual.
Yeah, we banked on being miserable, the most miserable. So we worked hard to be miserable tonight.
This is a James Taylor Carole King.
Guitars. Sorry. Yeah, bit too much guitar. It's distorted again. Sorry.
It's a bit of a
sorry.
nuisance, isn't it?
Just move the mic out of the way.
How's that then?
Better. We still got a little bit of distortion, but I don't know what.
It's a bloody nuisance, isn't it?
Can't you move the mic?
Sorry.
No, don't say sorry. It's his fault.
That's better. Yeah, better. Yeah.
Tonight you're mine. just a moment's pleasure,
Wrong words.
or just a lasting treasure. Sorry. Can I believe the magic of your sighs? Will you still love me tomorrow? Tonight with words unspoken, you'll say that I'm the only one. But will my heart be broken when the night meets the morning sun? I'd like to know that your love is love I can be sure of. So tell me now, and I won't ask again. Will you still love me tomorrow? Will you still love me tomorrow? Will you still love me tomorrow?
Oh, Neil, you were singing that straight to me, weren't you, Neil?
Sorry, hit the bit of a dodgy note here and there, but hey ho.
Oh, lovely, lovely sound.
Oh, lovely. Lovely stuff. Thank you. We'll hear from you again in the second half. Now we've got Gwyn. I think we've got a poem, have we?
We got a fideo yn Gymraeg in Welsh with a translation for you. So with a little bit of luck and a following wind, it'll come up just now.
This week we're having the Ballad of the Young Man from Llŷn. Llŷn is a place, of course, if you know the map of Wales, below Anglesey there is a peninsula that stretches out. Most of you English will know of Abersoch down the end. It's Abersoch, of course, but it's pronounced Abersoch in many tongues. And there's another word in the poem called a garn, which is a mountain on Llŷn. Baled y Llanc Ifanc o Lŷn, William Jones. Pwy ydyw dy gariad, Lanc Ifanc o Lŷn, sy'n rhodio'r diweidydd fel hyn wrth o'i hun? Merch ifanc yw'n nghariad o ardal y Sarn, a chlyd yw ei bwthyn yng nghysgod y garn. Pa bryd yw dy gariad, Lanc Ifanc o Lŷn, sy'n rhodio'r diweidydd fel hyn wrth o'i hun? Pryd tywyll yw'n nghariad, pryd tywyll yw hi? A'i chnawd sydd yn wynach na'r ewyn blaen lli. Sut wisg sydd i dy gariad, Lanc Ifanc o Lŷn, sy'n rhodio'r diweidydd fel hyn wrth o'i hun? Gwisg ganaid sydd danwe sy'n laes hyd ei thraed, a rhos rhwng ei dwyfron mor ywridog a gwaed. A ddigiodd dy gariad, Lanc Ifanc o Lŷn, sy'n rhodio'r diweidydd fel hyn wrth o'i hun? Ni ddigiodd fy nghariad, ni ddigiodd erioed ers pan gwirasom ni gyntaf yr oed. Pam yntau daw dagrau, Lanc Ifanc o Lŷn, i ddlygaid wrth ffrodio'r diweidydd fel hyn? Yr angau a wywodd yr hos yn ei gwedd, a gwyn ydy'r gynnau tydynwyr y bedd.
Wow.
Oh, we've got some miserable stuff tonight, haven't we? Oh, yes.
Oh,
to
come on,
Little-
John. There was a new word for you in there. Duivron, breasts. You can't say fairer than that, can you? Yeah. Well, that was a nice one.
Right,
So-
we'll get a song from Gwyn in the second half. We're going down to Eastbourne now for Brian.
Right, I've moved myself a bit closer to the laptop. Can you hear me a bit better?
A bit more.
I can't get much closer. Can you hear me better now?
Yeah.
Maybe he's going to do a duet with one from
Anyway, this is
it was him, wasn't it?
this is a song by Daniel O'Donnell and Mary Duff called Till Each Tear You Cry Becomes a Rose. And I'm going to sing this with Linda. Darling, I can see the clouds around you.
And in your heart I know a sorrow grows.
But if you weep, I'll be right here to hold you.
Till each tear you cry becomes a rose. Dearest love, I know your heart is shattered, and all my words can offer no release. But my love will heal the pain you suffered, and I'll be here if you should turn to me.
Darling, I can see the clouds around you.
And in your heart I know a sorrow grows.
But if you weep, I'll be right here to hold you.
Till each tear you cry becomes a rose.
In deepest nights when memories tend to gather, lay with me and put your fears to sleep. 'Cause there's no pain that no dreams can put asunder, all the love that binds us, you and me. Darling, I can see the clouds around you.
And in your heart I know a sorrow grows.
But if you weep, I'll be right here to hold you.
Till each tear you cry becomes a rose.
Till each tear you cry becomes a rose.
Don't get many instant duets on this, do we? Because of course, if you sing together, it all Zoom will bugger it up. But sorry, yep.
Right, well, thank you. We'll be hearing from you again in the second half, Brian, or maybe even later with Linda again. I don't know. Mr. Durno, down in St. Asaph.
Or up in St. Asaph, depending on where you are, John.
Everywhere's
There you go.
down from here.
He's up the hill.
Oh, have we got 3 Loudons tonight? We've got mine. I think Jeff's on his Loudon. Have you got yours, Alan?
I have, yeah.
Oh, it's a 3 Loudon night tonight.
Yeah.
It is a bit, isn't it? Okay, Jackson C. Frank, this one. Catch a boat to England Bay, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have been, wherever I've been and gone, Send out for whiskey, honey, send out for gin. Me and room service, babe, me and room service, child. Me and room service, where we're living. Oh, the life of sin. When I ain't drinking, honey, well, you're on my mind. When I ain't sleeping, babe, when I ain't sleeping, child. When I ain't sleeping, oh, you know that you'll find me crying. Well, living's a gamble, honey, and loving's just the same. Wherever I have played, wherever I've thrown them dice, wherever I have been, the blues, well, they run the game. Well, try another city, honey, well, try another town. Wherever I have been, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have been, the blues, well, they run the game. Somewhere tomorrow, honey, someplace down the line, well, I'll grow older, babe, so much older, child, and I'll grow older, and I know you'll find me crying. So catch a boat to England, babe, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have been, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have been, the blues, well, they're all the same.
One of my favourites, Jeff.
I was about to rush off to get me beta blockers, but I'm all right now, Jeff. Thanks.
How are you?
Right, before we have Gaffer, just have a quick show of hands. Has anybody had the jab yet? I think Rolly has, haven't you? Yeah. Oh, well, Gaffer, he's front mic. Oh, Mike's had his. Oh, and Dave. Right, we've a bloody lot to get through in another fortnight then.
Suggesting they're all over 75, John.
Yeah, I mean, apart from Neil and Shireen, I think everybody else. Oh, and Anne and Mark.
They keep showing them on the news, these nurses playing darts with your arms. They throw the bloody thing in and no wetting.
Right. Oh, and Linda, she looks a bit under the 70 mark as well. But I think the rest of us are bloody on cue, yeah?
We're not all not as old as you, John. Sorry, mate. I'm not old enough yet.
You lying git.
Oi.
68, not old enough.
Oh, yeah.
That's your showbiz age. Come on.
Not all of us are your age, John.
I don't think we're going to get. I don't think we're going to get Nick back tonight, unfortunately. So I'll have a session with him midweek. See if we can arrange a little private Zoom session.
Yeah.
See if we can get his sound right, because his sound was not great, which is a shame. Right, moving on to the Great Orme and Gaffer.
Right, I'm going to do an American one tonight. I don't do a lot of American ones. This is from the Deep South. It's from the very Deep South, in fact. In fact, it's from Uruguay. There we go. And it's a disastrous song. Go along with all those nice funeral ones you've been singing. To bring some culture to the masses, an orchestra in Uruguay held an outdoor children's concert. Joe Tchaikovsky, Christ knows why. The orchestra possessed no cannon. Kettle drums seemed far too tame, but they had a bass trombonist. Esperanza was his name. Lord preserve us from trombonists who ram explosives up their bell. To bring Tchaikovsky to the masses and liven up the 1812. Now had he not been so ambitious, things might yet have turned out right. But he chose a huge firecracker with a kick like gelignite, and with a classic sense of timing, he rammed it in to his trombone. Then he lit the blue touch paper with his mute. He rammed it home. Oh Lord preserve us from trombonists who ram explosives up their bell. To bring Tchaikovsky to the masses and liven up the 1812. He thought the taper on his trombone backward forces would resist. Although a talented trombonist, alas, he proved no physicist. The universal gas equation, derived from Boyle's and Charles's laws, states when forced backwards down a trombone, heated gases heat up more. Lord preserve us from trombonists who ram explosives up their bell. To bring Tchaikovsky to the masses, liven up the 1812. And so this superheated gas jet burned his mouth and lips and face. It failed to send the mouthpiece flying, 'cause it welded it in place. He might have known that more was coming had he been a scientist. The slide then flew off like a missile, fractured Esperanza's wrist. Lord preserve us from trombonists who ram explosives up their bell. To bring Tchaikovsky to the masses, liven up the 1812. Now with the spit key as its warhead, on the strange projectile sped, till its progress was arrested by third clarinetist's head. The clarinetist slumped unconscious, fractured skull and bleeding head. But Senor Esperanza's trombone proved it wasn't finished yet. Lord preserve us from trombonists who ram explosives up their bell, to bring Tchaikovsky to the masses and liven up the 1812. The heavy aluminium straight mute flew at high speed from the bell, between the oboes and cor anglais, like an armor-piercing shell, barely missing the violas. Onward sped the mighty mute, headed straight for the conductor, snapped his other wrist en route. Lord preserve us from trombonists who ram explosives up their bell, to bring Tchaikovsky to the masses, liven up the 1812. The poor conductor toppled backwards, tipping up the front 3 rows. The 4th and 5th and 6th row followed, then all the rest like dominoes. The audience was all upended. Conductor blasted from his pit. Clarinetist in a coma. Esperanza in the shit. God preserve us from trombonists who ram explosives up your bell, to bring Tchaikovsky to the masses and liven up the 1812. Now, mothers, go home, tell your children, leave Tchaikovsky well alone. Now guns and bombs are risky playthings, but at least they're safer than trombones. And lastly, a plea to musicians, please observe the firework code. Reserve the use of high explosives for bagpipes, bowrans and banjos.
Is trombone one of my favourite instruments? Get a good bass trombonist and you play, and then you take him out and you listen to the difference and you put him back in. Oh yes, very important role.
And the fireworks.
Oh yes, of course, yeah.
Right, okay, I'll just refresh the end of the list. We've got Mike, Carl, Terry, Linda, Alan, and I think it's Dave Prescott. Is it just joined us?
He just had his lunch, I think.
Yeah, I've just seen him finishing his...
Yeah, he was shoveling it in. Did you see him shoveling it in?
So we'll start the second time round with Dave. So after Alan, Dave, so you can let your tea go down. Okay, so right, we're down to Surrey for Mike.
Hi
and
there.
Helen, of course.
Hi everyone. Yeah, you're talking
With the
about
fringe on top. There he is.
You're talking about vaccinations. We were lucky to get ours this week before Brussels nicked all the stock. Anyway, we're on our gospel kick again. So each day I'll do a golden deed by helping those who are in need. My life on earth is but a span, and so I'll do the best I can. Life's evening sun is sinking low. A few more days out each day. My life must shine along the way. I'm saying his prayers while angels rear and strive to help some troubled souls. Life's evening sun is sinking low. A few more days and I must go to meet the deed that I have done, where there will be no setting sun. The only life that will endure is one that's kind and good and pure. And so for God, I'll take my stand, facing down there, a helping hand. I'm going down life's weary road. I'll try to lift some traveler's load. I'll try to burn the night today, make flowers bloom along the way. Life's evening sun is sinking low. A few more days and I must go to meet the deed that I have done, when there will be no setting sun. Not sure. Are we doing one or two?
The in real, if you do a key change, you will get a big ooh.
Yeah, I surprised myself when I can actually manage it.
Right, can we just leave you at one for the minute and we'll
Sure.
have you get the second half?
Sure.
Because we've got Natasha in Moscow just joined us.
Wow. Hello, Natasha.
Right, we'll have a word with Natasha in a minute when she's got settled in. But we've got Carl. Carl, I can't find you on my Muppet box. There you are at the bottom. In the sound check, Carl was doing a bit of a practice and my ears didn't respond to the frequencies that he can sing at.
It wasn't that high, John.
You were shattering the
Basso
glasses.
profundo he ain't, John. Basso profundo.
No.
We're talking top tenor.
It's all high stuff, seat of the pants stuff, this is. I thought following on from last week, we had the Burns Night and the St. Dwindman, and there was limited time, but I thought tonight I'd try and address the balance and do a Welsh song. And actually, I think Alan mentioned this when he first noticed me in the club, Myfanwy. It's a very old Welsh song.
I haven't noticed you yet, Carl. Sorry, I haven't noticed you.
Yeah. It's a very old song and it's actually requested at both weddings and funerals, which is weird, really, you'd think, wouldn't you? A love song. But some people request it for funerals because they're remembering their spouse. And at weddings, with it being a love song, I don't think quite a few don't realise that it's not a very happy love song because they end up splitting up and saying farewell, but they still request it. So it's called Myfanwy. And I'll see if I can get it. My dicte o Myfanwy, and len with lygau dion di. A ddryddiau tirion o Myfanwy, hebryd o wrth fy nweledi. Fi'n conau cariad ffyddlon ffôr. Pole mae sain dairiau melys. Fi'n dein halon o Ma fanwy boed ar off a fywyd, dan hael wen ddisglair canol dydd. A boed i'r rosyn gredog iechyd, i ddawnsio gamlwydd a dyrys. Anghofiar o fath a ddewidion, a neis di rywun benethel. O dorodd law, ma fanwy dirion. Iddyn ond dweud y gair ffarwel. Ma fanwy.
Fabulous. Wow. If ever you wanted to know, Gwlad y Gân, the land of song, a rough-looking lad like Carl turns up and out of his mouth comes sounds like that. I'm giving up top notes. That was fantastic.
Giving up? I've never even been anywhere bloody close. Right, that was lovely, Carl. And thank you once again. Right, we're moving down south of England again. I remember Terry was here about sometime before Christmas, and he was
That's right.
He was absolutely shit hot.
Yeah.
And, is it? Are you another of the Surrey people?
I don't know where I am, to be honest. I'm kind of in Zoom land, but when I'm Essex is where I'm based, I suppose. That's it.
Essex boy.
But listen,
Right,
I can't.
okay, what have we got for us tonight, then, Terry?
Well, I can't. I mean, after that, I can either follow suit, which is impossible, or I can do something entirely silly, which I will opt for. This is something to raise the spirits by an American 1940s outfit called the Hoosier Hot Shots. It's called She Broke My Heart in 3 places. She broke my heart in 3 places: Chicago, Seattle, and New York. She led me on some wild goose chases, but brother, I trailed her like a hawk. Well, it started in the moonlight, drifting on a lake. On my knees, I whispered, give my heart a break. She broke my heart in 3 places: Chicago, Seattle, and New York. In 4 places: Toledo, Albuquerque, Minneapolis, and St. Paul. She broke my heart in 5 places: Miami, Austin, Helena, Pasadena, Cisco, Miami, Austin, Boston, Chattanooga, and Montreal. Well, it started in Savannah, we landed in Salt Lake. In Kokomo, I whispered, give my heart a break. Well, she broke my heart in 6 places: Helena, Pasadena, Cisco, Frisco, Macon, and Mohawk, and Chicago, Seattle, and New York. Ba-ba-dum-da-da-doo, li-di-da-da-da-doo, la-ba-ba-ba-la-bee-bam-bam.
If you don't let anybody say that was showing off. If you've got it, flaunt it, man. It was lovely, lovely, lovely.
Oh yes, as I said, shit hot.
Shit hot.
Right, we'll get more from Terry in a second half. I'm going to make a slight amendment to what I said earlier. We've got Linda next, and then Alan, and that finishes off round 1. Round 2, we will start with Ian, because I know Ian usually has to get off about 9:30. Is that okay, Ian? Just give me a thumbs up.
Perfect, but I don't like to be made a special example
No,
of.
well,
so-
it's only moving you forward 2 or 3 places. It's not a problem. Right, so we've got Isla White now. Linda.
Yes, so I'm going to do How Long Will I Love You by Mike Scott. How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you, and longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to follow their plan. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to watch upon the sand. How long will I want you? As long as you want me to, and longer by far. How long will I hold you? As long as your father told you, as long as you can. How long will I give to you? As long as I live through you, however long you say. How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you, and longer if I may. How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you.
Thank you. Always lovely.
Beautiful. Beauty.
That was done with sincerity. I think that was it. Lovely. From the heart. Lovely.
Right, well, before Alan rounds up the first time round, let's have a quick word with our Moscow correspondent. And it's just gone midnight over there, I think, Natalia. Have you got anything for us tonight?
Hi. Well, I haven't prepared anything for this time, but I hope to prepare something for maybe for the next time.
That's okay. No pressure. No pressure. We always love to hear something from you, but just to suit yourself.
Nice to see you.
But always just lovely to see your face. And we really enjoyed last week's with the red hat. Right. Okay, Alan. Finish us off.
Frog in the throat. Excuse me a moment. I'll be brief. I have a song, What Roley, stuck on Tinternet on the Facebook group. by the lovely Rhiannon Gidders from the fabulous name for a group, the Carolina Chocolate Drops. And they are. It's fabulous. And she plays banjo and sings wonderfully. And this is an old American... It's probably one of their oldest American traddy, gospel-y Negro song, Negro spiritual, I suppose. Am I allowed to say that nowadays? That's what they are. That's what they are. Right. I best not. And it's called. It's got it's got a father, a brother, a sister, and a mother, and they're all missing. They've all gone before, and so it suits me because I've lost my father, my brother, my sister, and my mother. So I'll just sing the song. It's called Poor Wayfarers Wearing Strange. It's called I'm a Poor Wayfaring Stranger. I'm just a poor wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world alone. There ain't no trouble, toil or danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going back to see my father. I'm going back no more to roam. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home. I know dark clouds will gather round me. I know my way is rough and steep, yet golden fields lie just before me, where God's redeemed their vigils keep. I'm going back to see my brother. I'm going back no more to roam. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home. And I shall wear a crown of glory when I get home to that bright land, and I shall sing salvation's story in concert with that happy band. I'm going back to see my sister, going back no more to roam. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home. I'm just a poor wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world alone. There is no trouble, toil or danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going back to see my mother. I'm going back, no more to roam. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home.
Lovely.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you are. Time out for me for that. It was Ed Robshaw who used to give
Church Hall in Laburnum Grove in Runcorn.
Oh,
it was me.
Well, I don't know much about the song other than it's very old.
Oh, it's beautiful. Love that.
Beautiful, absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Nice one, Al.
Too many notes again, Alan.
Not necessarily in the right order.
Oh no.
Yeah,
You're a twiddlephobe, John. You're a twiddlephobe. That's what you are.
Right, okay, that's got us to halfway. We're doing all right tonight, aren't we? So we will go round it. Before we go round again, I think Mark's asleep now. Yeah. No, he's not. We were just saying, Leslie was just saying, we can't decide who's got the longer hair, Mark or Annie. But Mark certainly does look like he's been shagged in a public car park. He's gone now, he's moved. Right, okay. And where's our estate agent? He's down at the bottom of my screen. Are you selling houses yet, Glenys, or not?
Oh, yeah.
Are you talking to us? Come on.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, we can hear you. Oh, we
You've
could.
just muted yourself again.
We never ever go on.
Can't you? We can't hear you, Glenys.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Yeah, we got you.
Hello! Yeah, God, it's busy at the moment. I can't believe it. I don't know what's happened to the market. Prices are holding their own, and well, Mark will tell you it's just crazy. So I don't know what's going on. But
so how do you go on for viewing?
Right, if it's an empty property, you stand outside and let them go in, and then you just check it. If it's lived in, the vendors do it, but it's up to them whether they want to accept the viewing or not.
Well, you're not going to buy a bloody house, are you, without looking at it?
No, but you know, some vendors are self-isolating and they don't want to know, you see. So it depends on what the vendor wants to do, really. You know, so yeah. So, but it's very busy, yeah.
Oh, are you on commission?
Don't tell him, Pike.
Don't answer that.
Don't tell him, Pike.
You can't see your way to lending us a tenner then. I've got
a
post loader coming from Australia next week.
Oh.
Okay, Glenys.
Okay, take
nice
care.
To speak to you. Right, second time, and we'll start off with Ian because we know Ian's got to. Who's got a dog?
He's got the dogs in the back as well, hasn't he? Yeah.
Let the dogs out. Yeah,
I'll give you a clue. It was Glenys's dog.
Right. Thanks, John. This is one I heard Mark Knopfler doing at the Albert Hall, and incidentally, I also heard that Rhiannon woman that Alan was doing. I heard her do that at the Transatlantic Sessions at the Festival Hall. So she was wonderful. The best moment of all, and the whole thing, was when she did a little American dance. She was terrific at that. And the best moment at the Albert Hall was the time I saw Mark. He had a bad back one time, and he sat there, and he sat on a chair the whole time, except at the one moment in the climax of Speedway at Nazareth, he stood up, and that just made that incredible. It made it wonderful. This is my famous last words. Famous last words, laying around in tatters, sounding absurd. Whatever I try, but I love. That's all that really matters. This is goodbye. This is goodbye. The bright shining sun, light up the way before me. You were the one, made me feel I could fly. And I love whatever is waiting for me. This is goodbye. This is goodbye. Who knows how long we've got, or what we're made out of? Who knows if there's a plan or not? There is our love, I know. There is our love. Famous last words never tell a story, spinning unheard in the dark of the sky. But I love, and this is our glory. This is goodbye. This is goodbye. This is goodbye. This is goodbye.
I'm glad we didn't have to miss that one, eh?
You're too kind.
Lovely again.
Like that.
Thank you very much. I know you're probably going to have to be off in 5 minutes, but always great to see you. Right, I'll just refresh everybody's memories because I know you're all thick. We've got Mike Hawkins. Oh no, we've got Dave Prescott, Mike Hawkins, Alan M, John Warburton, Carol Warburton.
Not Carol, not this time.
Oh.
Okay.
I'll step down because you've got enough.
Shame.
Me, Neil and Shireen. And that'll do for we're getting on for a few minutes. Okay, so we're down to Norwich.
Is he there? Where's he gone?
It looks like the sun's out in Norwich.
It does.
Here I am, I'm here. Somewhere.
Right.
I'm there. I'm there. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we're fine.
Oh, I'll turn it down a bit then.
No, we're okay. You're okay.
What did you have for your tea? What did you have for your tea that we watched you eating? What was
that
it?
was me ice. That was sort of a bit of cake with rice pudding and peaches.
Oh, we've had that.
Afters. A fish and chips for me tea. Right on, never mind. Go on.
Left. Wi-Fi rubbish keeps cutting out.
For you ride the finest horse I have ever seen, standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes so wide and green. And you ride the horse so well, so gentle to the touch. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. As I rode into the night without a glance behind, drag your claw across my gut one last time. I turned to face the empty space where once you used to lie. I look for light to light my night through a teardrop in my eye. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to.
Anyone was trying to find the key, it was G minor.
I've got a front door key and a back door key. That's the only keys I've got.
Right. Okay. Thanks a lot, Dave.
Thank you.
And we're back to Will now for Mr. Hawkins, who will no doubt be unaccompanied. Where's Sheila?
Sheila's sat over the other side of the room, resting. It's all right. She's just resting her eyes. No, she's enjoying it over the other side. She can hear it.
I'm glad some buggers enjoying it.
I am, actually. This is a Ewan MacColl song. It's he wrote it for his wife, Peggy Seeger. It's called The First Time. The first time ever I saw your face, I thought the sun rose in your eyes, and the moon and the stars were the gifts you gave to the dark and the endless sky, my love, to the dark and the endless sky. The first time ever I kissed your mouth, I felt the earth move in my hand, like the trembling heart of a captive bird, who was there at my command, my love, who was there at my command. The first time ever I lay with you, I felt your heart beat close to mine, and I knew our joy would fill the earth and last till the end of time, my love, and last till the end of time. The first time ever I saw your face, I thought the sun rose in your eyes, and the moon and the stars were the gifts you gave to the dark and the endless sky, my love, to the dark and the endless sky.
Wow! favourite. I think with that quality of singing, Michael, we might offer you an honorary Welshmanship. When we get our own passports, you can have one.
I think he's just declined it.
No, I am half Welsh, actually.
Oh, well, there we are. You see, it's obvious.
Yeah.
From the neck up.
Was Welsh.
Your heart is Welsh, Michael. That's what counts, you see.
I don't know, really. I do... no, I'm English. I was born and brought up in England, but I do have a soft spot for Wales, yeah.
Oh.
Wales is my second choice.
Well, what are the choices?
I know that may not be popular. No. I mean, if England are playing Wales, and I'll cheer for England. But if Wales are playing anyone else, I'll cheer for Wales. Like I'm.
Well, it's funny because if England are playing anybody, I cheer for anybody.
I know. That's what really irks me. It's the same. It's the
say
same
all
with
of us.
Scots as well. The Scots do the same.
My dad said to me, you support Wales, and anybody who's playing against England, unless it's Germany, under no circumstances can support Germany. They bombed our Chippy, apparently, a long time ago.
Right, okay, moving to the heart of Snowdonia. It's Alan.
Hello again. Right, this is a counter to the Myfanwy, because I didn't do my second Robbie Burns song last week, so unless anyone did it, this is Lassie Lie Near Me. Long hae we parted then, lassie my dearie. Now here we are all met again. Lassie lie near me, oh near me. Lassie lie near me. Long hae Lady Lane, oh lassie lie near me. And all the times I've been away, lassie, my dearie, I thought on you and our bands at play. Lassie, lie near me, oh near me. Lassie, lie near me. Long hae Lady Lane, oh lassie, lie near me. And all the things that I've endured, lassie, my dearie, now in your arms and all is cured. Lassie, lie near me, oh near me. Lassie, lie near me. Long hae Lady Lane, oh lassie, lie near me. And in the morning will come the sun, lassie, my dearie, and in that hour we'll have our fun. Oh lassie, lie near me, oh near me. Lassie, lie near me. Long hae Lady Lane, oh lassie, lie near me, oh near me. Lassie, lie near me. Long hae Lady Lane, oh lassie, lie near me. Lassie, lie near me, oh lassie, lie near me.
Oh yeah.
We didn't have time for you to get that in last week, Alan, but worth waiting for. Can I put a request in?
Who to?
You.
What's that?
Either they're just requests, you don't have to comply. Either play your pipes for us sometime, or sing what's a mile and a bit, mile and a bit, mile of walking through the shit. That one. Shining Clear.
Shining Clear, okay.
Yeah, so another time, if you just a request.
You know I haven't picked the pipes up for months, so I'll have to get them out and have a practice.
Oh, please.
Well,
Can
make sure
I
there's no dynamite in them.
Request, Al? Can I make a request?
You've already got it. I know it. Yeah, okay.
No. My request is, can you come back next week? I love your voice.
I've changed my plans now, so we're sort of winding down the.
Yes.
I should be here all the time.
Excellent.
I mean, this is easy. I couldn't come to Real so much because it's such a long way for me to the club live. You know.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's fair enough. Yeah, and we're not going to you. I can tell you that. Eh?
Well, exactly. That's the whole problem, isn't it? So, but I will try and endeavour to get there at least live a few times this year, next year, whatever.
Lovely. God knows when we'll get started up again. Right, we're moving further down the North Wales coast, well, inland, to a wannabe Cornishman.
Yeah. Yes. He said, excuse me, people have been arguing whether they're English or Welsh. I am Scouse, so I'm not English. 3 of my grandparents came from God's own country, so I am claiming my Welsh heart here. And, disbelieving English politicians. I've even fell out with the Labour Party. Anyway, this is called Life. No, it's not. It's called Free. Can you hear me? Am I loud enough?
Spot on, John.
Well, I just wanna go where the rivers in flow, and I just wanna be in the sound of the sea. I wanna dance and woo by the light of the moon. I just wanna be free, like the stars on the sea. I put my fingers to the bone, put my mind to a standstill, watch politicians come and go, just like watching an anthill, round and round in circles, getting nowhere fast, building up their egos and making lots of cash. And I just wanna go where the rivers in flow, and I just wanna be near the sound of the sea. I wanna dance and woo by the light of the moon. I just wanna be free, like the stars on the sea. And if you think I'm dropping out, you're not far from the truth. The things that seem to anger me are the same as in my youth. More poverty and injustice, but it all remains the same. Why is peace so hard to win? Is the world insane? And I just wanna go where the rivers in flow, and I just wanna be near the sound of the sea. I wanna dance and woo by the light of the moon. I just wanna be free, like the stars on the sea. Throw your telly out the window, don't you read the press, don't listen to the government who's made this world a mess. Come and leave your living rooms, come and join with me. We'll dance beside the rooms and sing beside the sea. And I just wanna go where the rivers in flow, and I just wanna be near the sound of the sea. I wanna dance and woo by the light of the moon. I just wanna be free, like the stars on the sea. And if you wanna be free, come join in with me. Thank you.
Me unawares with a southern finish then, John.
Sorry.
Yeah,
I don't
it's,
like them when I'm controlling the
group either.
You use the word controlling very loosely.
Yes, well, yes.
No, in this, not in your. Oh no, what have I said?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know, Alan. Just don't worry about it. I'll shut up now, and you can
Grab
carry
me
on.
tablets; they'll take effect just now.
You got the clap big time there, John.
We did.
Oh, thank you.
A lot
Yes.
of people giving you the clap there.
Yes.
So
I'll
to
go and
speak.
see the doctors. But he'll only give me a telephone consultation. Right, I'll shut up.
Right. It's me next. That song is. I mean, we've got to sort of respect everybody else's religious beliefs and sexual orientation, but it's about time we respected everybody else's nationality as well. Just saying. Right, is Carol doing? We've got time for Carol if Carol wants to do anything. Nope.
I haven't.
You have persuaded her. She's got her book out anyway.
That's good.
I'll just do a short one.
She's not talking about me.
Don't think I've done that one. No, I've not.
What, mate?
If you watch the clouds as the wind causes them to change, a rhinoceros may become an octopus. It really is quite strange. You can usually find a heart and one the shape of a mouse. And there's always one with a hole in, and one that could be a house. A pyramid's reforming right before my eyes. To find it looks like an Easy Rider motorbike, well, that really is a surprise. There's a cat racing out across the blue. Now, who'd have thought of that? Oh, no, actually, wait a minute. Now it looks more like a hat. So if you've got some time to spare and clouds that you can see, maybe one day you too will see an elephant. Or a great big pot of tea. Thank you.
I was supposed to be the weird one in this family. But,
Use your imagination.
Right, we've got plenty of clouds, I'll say that. There's no blue sky to sort of show them off, though. Right, I think it was Carl just put a thing on about some school in Nottingham celebrated All the Saints' Day, which reminded me that your committee has had a meeting this week, and we are seeing if we can organise an AGM, but it's difficult because it's got to be online. So we said we just keep an open mind on that one. And we also decided that we'll have an odd theme night. And in the past we've had sort of, Welsh nights, Scots nights, Irish nights, blah, blah, blah. So we'll go back to what we used to do a few years ago and have some odd theme nights. And you'll have to, well, you don't have to, but the challenge is to slip something in. It may be a colour, it might be a blue night. You don't have to sing Blue Moon or My Blue Heaven. You just have to do what you were singing, but somewhere you can just change the words to fit blue in. It's whatever you want anyway. Right, but that's by the by.
Is Andrew with us? Has he decided on a theme yet, or is he still working on it? He's probably going to give it to us in anagram form, knowing Andrew. I can't find him on my screen at the moment. So anyway, I'll shut up, John. You get up.
I've yet to decide, but I'm on the case.
That'll be the day. And I've also noticed that Edna is with her slave tonight. What's he had to do?
Yoga.
Oh, I knocked it on. Oh, you're on. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry.
Has he done everything you asked for? Has he done everything you asked for?
Oh, of course.
Everything.
Everything at all. Well, I don't even have to ask.
No, come on. Mute them quick. Right, that's got him muted. Oh, she's unmuted now. Right, what am I doing? Something a bit lively after the first half. Margaret was complaining there was a lot of stuff that got her down. So she'll have been really pissed off about tonight, won't she? Right, Neil Young song. Look out, Mama, there's a white boat coming up the river with a big red beacon and a flag and a man on the rail. I think you'd better call John, 'cause it don't look like they're here to deliver the mail. It's less than a mile away. I hope they didn't come to stay. He's got numbers on the side and a gun, and they're making big waves. Daddy's gone and my brother's out hunting in the mountain. Big John's been drinking since the river took Emmylou. Powers that be left me here to do the thinking. I just turned 22. I was wondering what to do. The closer they got, the more those feelings grew. Daddy's rifle in my hand felt reassuring. He told me red means run, son. Numbers don't add up to nothing. When the first shot hit the dock, I saw it coming. Raised my rifle to my eye, never stopped to wonder why. Then I saw black and my face splashed in the sky. To me from the powder and the finger, cover me with the thought that pulled the trigger. Just think of me as one you never figured out. You fade away so young, with so much left undone. Remember me to my love, I know I'll miss her. Oh. Right, that's warmed me up. I'm giving everybody a chance to go and empty the bladders. So we've got Neil and Shireen next. So you better be back in your seats.
Thank you. Very nice, that, John.
It was very nice. Hello, Ruth and Andrew down there. Sorry, I haven't seen you for ages. How are you?
Okay.
Well, fine, thank you.
Good.
Nice to see you.
Anyone who knows me, they know I go on about money a little bit. And I think if you look at all that's wrong in the world, you can always trace it back to money somewhere on the line. Either some bugger's got too much of the stuff, or you haven't got any at all.
We haven't got any at all. I don't care. I like egg and chips.
So I like to imagine a world without money. And it's strange that John Lennon seemed to do the same. He wrote a song about it. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. No religion too. Imagine all the people living a life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one.
Oh, yes. That was from the heart. That was from the heart. Lovely stuff.
If John Lennon was still with us, he'd have had his jab because he'd be 80.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I don't think they dig you up to give you a jab, John. Oh,
hey.
He's creative, isn't he?
Yeah, I'll have the one that John Lennon would have had then. Right, Gwyn. In fact, let's refresh everybody's memories because you'll have forgotten. Gwyn, Brian, Jeff Durno, Gaffer, Mike, Carl, Terry, Linda, Alan. Good night. Okay, Gwyn.
Right, there we are. I don't know if you've picked up the news, but AD's Anne, the late AD's Anne, is not running again in the next election. That's one of the breaking news is. And this... Sorry?
No, it's okay. We were saying we saw that and we didn't know why she'd packed up. We thought she might be glad to fill her time, really.
Well, yeah, it must be a hard time for her anyway. This is a song that the Bum used to do, Absent Friends. He isn't with us anymore, but he could return. And in his absence, I'm going to massacre this one. It's an absolutely fabulous love song, but I'm going to have a crack at it and see what happens. It's a Bob Dylan song. Buckets of rain, buckets of tears. You got them buckets coming out of my ears. Buckets of moonbeams in my hand. I got all the buckets, honey baby, I can stand. I've been meek, hard like an oak, seen pretty people disappear like smoke. Friends will arrive, friends will disappear. If you want me, baby, honey, baby, I'll be near. I like your smile, your fingertips. I like the way that you move your lips. I like the cool way you look at me. Everything about you, baby, give me misery. Little red wagon, little red bike. I ain't no monkey, but I know what I like. I like the way you love me long and slow. I'm taking you with me, honey baby, when I go. Life is sad, life is sad, life is a bust. Do what you must do, and you do what you must. Do what you must do, but do it well. I'll do it for you, honey baby, I can tell. I'll do it for you, honey baby, I can tell. There we go.
Caught me with a mouthful of beer there, Gwen.
Yes, it was. Yeah, there we go. It's pity he should come back, but there we are. Yeah. There we go.
Right, okay. Down to Brian.
260-year-old folk song called Maggie May. I learnt it from the Crew folk group on the Isle of Wight a couple of years ago, so it's... Now gather round, you sailor boys, and listen to my plea, and when you've heard my tale, pity me, for I was a ready fool in the port of Liverpool, the first time that I came home from the sea. Oh, Maggie, Maggie May, they have taken her away. She never walked down Lime Street anymore. She robbed so many sailors and captains of the whalers, that dirty robbing, no good Maggie May. I was paid off at the home from the pure port of Sierra Leone. £4 in a month it was my pay, with a pocket full of tin. I was very soon took in by a girl with the name of Maggie May. Well, do I remember when I first met Maggie May? She was cruising up and down Canning Place. She'd a figure so divine, just like a frigate of the line, and me being just a sailor I gave chase. Oh, Maggie, Maggie May, they have taken her away. She'll never walk down Lime Street anymore. She robbed so many sailors and captains of the whalers, that dirty robbing, no good Maggie May. She gave me a saucy nod, and like a farmer's clod, let her take me line abreast in tow. And under all plain sail we ran before the gale, and to the Crow's Nest Tavern we did go. In the morning I awoke, I was flat and stony broke. No jacket, trousers, waistcoat could I find. When I asked her where they were, she said, my very good sir, they're down in Kelly's pawn shop number 9. Oh, Maggie, Maggie May, they have taken her away. She never walked down Lime Street anymore. She robbed so many sailors and captains of the whalers, that dirty Robin, no good Maggie May. Well, to the pawn ship I did go, but no clothes there could I find. The policeman came and took that girl away. The judge, he found her of robbing the homeward bounder, and paid her passage back to Botany Bay. She was changed and sent away from Liverpool one day. The lads all cheered as she sailed down the bay, and every sailor lad, he was only too glad they sent that old whore out to Botany Bay. Oh, Maggie, Maggie May, they have taken her away. She never walked down Lime Street anymore. She robbed so many sailors and captains of the whalers, that dirty robbing, no good Maggie May. That dirty robbing, no good Maggie May.
Well, you had an accordion accompaniment up here, but only I could hear it, I'm afraid. I alone could hear it.
Right, okay, thank you again, Brian. And we're going down the hill to Jeff Durno.
Or up the hill to Jeff Durno. That's a bit of a hillist statement, John, you're making there. Bit of a hillist.
Yeah,
well, he's right, I'm on the top of the hill. So he's not wrong. The one thing you notice about folk clubs, if you go to them regularly, of course we don't at the moment, but like this one, is that once you get past 10 o'clock, people just want to sing. They don't want to listen to long dirges. So this one, this is one that you could all join in with. If you all picked up your instruments right now, I can't hear you, you can hear me, but you can play this. It's in G, there's only G, D and C. You can't go very far wrong. Most of you might know it. It should be interesting to watch all your faces anyway. So, it's in G, Utah Phillips, the green rolling hills of West Virginia. Well, the green rolling hills of West Virginia, they're the nearest thing to heaven that I know. And the times are sad and drear, and I cannot linger here, but they'll keep me and never let me go. Well, my daddy said don't ever be a miner, for a miner's grave is all you'll ever own. But there's hard times everywhere, can't find a dime to spare. These are the very worst times I've known. And the green rolling hills of West Virginia, they're the nearest thing to heaven that I know. And the times are sad and drear, and I cannot linger here, but they'll keep me and never let me go. So I moved away to a crowded city, in a northern factory town, you'll find me there. And though I leave my past behind, well, I won't ever change my mind. These troubled times are more than I can bear. And the green rolling hills, West Virginia, are the nearest thing to heaven that I know. And the times are sad and drear, and I cannot linger here, but they'll keep me and never let me go. Well, one day I'll go home to West Virginia, to the green rolling hills I love so well. Well, one day I'll go home, and I know I'll right the wrong, and these troubled times don't bother me no more. And the green rolling hills West Virginia. They're the nearest thing to heaven that I know. And the times are sad and drear, and I cannot linger here, but they'll keep me and never let me go. Last time, and the green rolling hills, West Virginia, are the nearest thing to heaven that I know. And the times are sad and drear, but I cannot linger here. They'll keep me and never let me go. Well, yes, they'll keep me and never let me go. Well done, everybody. Oh, a bit of chorus singing, isn't it?
There were a lot of people joining in there.
Sheree was playing there. I don't know, what is it? A recorder. She doesn't even play the recorder.
No, you can tell. Good job it's on mute.
I thought you'd be shuffling your little leg. You know,
It's amazing what you play when no one can hear you.
It sounded good, let me tell you.
Right. Gaffer, you didn't have your plastic saxophone out there?
No, I had me metal concertina out. I'd like to
you
say...
got your tin of haggis. What's happened to your tin of haggis from last week? Have you eaten it?
No, I was supposed to have eaten it by 2017, but I'm saving it up.
Beaten it to death. I think you've beaten it. I'll stop.
I have great respect for Alun, because although he is a vegetarian and very seldom forgets to remind us, he doesn't ram it down our throats. And he doesn't tell us all the terrible stories about abattoirs and things, like the proper vegetarians do. And the vegans tell even more about how they snatch the babies away from cows and things. Well, here's a song which is guaranteed to put people off vegetables.
Oh.
Sorry, Alan.
I might end up eating the carpet.
Piccalilli, Maker Albert Snurge, possessed the most unnatural urge. The urge concerned, it did emerge, a flaming pickle slicer. It is, he told his poor wife Sue, the item that I piddle through. I have the urge to thrust into the blessed pickle slicer. Said Sue, oh no, my darling bird, if you did that, you'd surely hurt whatever part you did insert inside the pickle slicer. Act now before it is too late, or else you might exsanguinate, and the pickles you'll contaminate inside the pickle slicer. Now quick fix answers, Bert, there ain't, and although it might seem somewhat quaint, you'll have to try some self-restraint towards that pickle slicer. To Sue's delight and her surprise, her wildest dreams were realized, and his self-restraint he exercised towards the pickle slicer, until that fateful Tuesday night when Bert came in, oh ghastly white, and his wife suspected that it might concern the pickle slicer. Oh, Sue, I don't half feel a clot, my self-restraint I quite forgot. And the boss, he sacked me on the spot, all through the pickle slicer. Oh, Bert, frustrated Sue did shout that you'd be sacked, I had no doubt. For Christ's sake, Bertie, what about that blasted pickle slicer? Flabbergasted, Bertie stared at Sue. I think it was obvious to you. He gave the sack to Audrey too, the former pickle slicer.
Oh, a sudden ending. We usually have about 17 verses notice that Gaffer's about to end the song.
This is the 1 week I'm behaving myself. Getting ready for next week.
In all fairness, Alan's not averse to fish having the guts whipped out and eating what's left.
No. As long as I don't know things like that, I eat fish and I eat eggs and I eat cheese and I'm a vegetarian. I'm a pescatarian. I'm not. I just don't eat meat. That's all. But fish, I don't count as meat. Well, there we are. Enough said.
Right, the fruits of the sea, are they?
Exactly. I ain't never heard one
Okay,
scream.
we've got to follow that. Oh, it's Mike. What a fish!
I don't think I can follow that.
I think.
Right, only because they've got no vocal cords.
I think fish have got feelings
Right,
as well.
okay, Mike and Helen. Oh,
pick it up.
My internet connection is unstable.
Oh dear.
I agree with Mike. Fish have got feelings. Yeah, definitely. Oh, little fishes.
Yeah, I'm sure if you listened to a lobster while it was being boiled alive, it would.
I don't eat lobster.
Scream.
But I heard once that there was a chap from Nottingham who had feelings, but I don't believe it.
Right, okay, shut up, a lot of you. It's Mike and Helen.
Rightio. Taking up Jeff's theme about something to join in with. This is one you can join in with, and it's in G, nice and easy. Apparently written about 1910, and the state song of Kansas. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. The red man was pressed from this part of the west. It's not likely he'll ever return to the banks of Red River, where seldom, if ever, his flickering campfire still burns. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. How often at night, when the heavens are bright, I see the light of those flickering stars. Have I laid there amazed and asked as I gaze if their glory exceeds that of love? that's called hamming it up.
Ah!
I bet there were some good harmonies there. I bet.
Oh. If only the people
We've
of
just
Kansas could hear that.
I like these songs with just those keys, those chords.
We've just been discussing who had the big hit for that, the Cowboy. Was it Roy Rogers?
It might have been. I don't know. Yeah,
It wasn't Alan Ladd standing on a box, was it?
I think it was Gene Autry.
Oh, now then, you see.
Yes, yes, it was her.
Good old Gene.
He became one of the wealthiest men in America.
Gwen, you have instantly become the club archivist. Thank you.
Apparently, John Denver sang it with the Muppets. My googly friend here tells me.
And I think it was a guy from Northern Ireland that wrote it.
Oh, well, I've now sung it with the Muppets.
Yeah. No surrender.
Well, if you go on Gallery View, we're singing everything with the Muppets here, aren't we?
Bloody hell. Information overload here tonight. Jesus.
Right, come on, let's have something from Terry before we go right into the mire.
Oh, you're muted at the moment, Terry. Do you want to unmute yourself?
You're muted, Terry. You're muted. Yeah, Terry, you.
Earth calling Terry. Earth calling Terry.
Sorry, I'm here now. Can you hear me? Oh dear.
Sorry.
That's right. I've lost my.
Yes, we can hear you.
Here we are. I'm getting there.
That's it. Time's up, Terry. Now.
Well, thank you very much for listening to that. That was very nice. Sorry, I was. My wife just came in, and I was just saying what a lovely group of people I'm listening to, and I was holding forth, and then suddenly I heard my name mentioned. But I'm sorry about that. Let me get straight on. This is yes, it was a couple of weeks. No, next week is the anniversary of the death of Buddy Holly, who died 62 years ago, and this is a song about that. They closed the doors on North Shore Drive. They turned out all the lights. The kids all left the ballroom and headed out into the night. Someone tossed a coin as the frost began to bite right to the core. But they knew it was over. The snow began to fall. Yes, the snow fell on the Midwest in the winter of '59. A few miles north of Clear Lake, west of Highway 35. Just falling softly where they never made the climb above the shore. Just above the horizon, it was all they were looking for. With no stars to guide them, and nothing mattered. estacado all across the western plains. Never thought those days would ever end. But in the early morning hours, as the shadows start to fade, and the lights from Mason City seem to falter in the haze. For the early morning traffic, it was just another working day like before. But for Maria Santiago, nothing mattered anymore. Sun shone on the Midwest in the spring of '59, and all the years rolled over like the winter left behind. We all sang the songs one last time like before. Before we knew it was over, and nothing mattered anymore. Now you go your way, I'll go mine, now and forever till the end of time. Golly gee, what have you done to me? Well, I guess it doesn't matter anymore.
Fabulous!
Beautiful.
Wow.
Brilliant.
Oh, we get some really average singers logging into this club, don't we? That was fabulous, Terry. Lovely.
Sorry about the false start. There we are.
No, worth waiting for. Worth every second.
I love the ending. Love the ending.
I thought it was worth coming all the way from Norwich to here. All the way from Norwich. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant.
And I think you must have paid more for your guitar because it doesn't seem to play bum notes like mine. I should have gone for the Mark II version, shouldn't I? Right, Linda.
I'm going to do Johnny Flynn's theme from The Detectorists, so I think some of you will probably recognise it from the TV show.
Shit.
Will you search through the lonely earth for me? Climb through the briar and the bramble. I'll be your treasure. I felt the touch of the kings and the breath of the wind. I knew the call of all the songbirds. They sang all the wrong words. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Ooh, ooh, Will you swim through the briny sea for me? Roll along the ocean floor. I'll be your treasure. I'm with the ghosts of the men who can never sing again. There's a place, follow me, where a love lost at sea is waiting for you, is waiting for you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Would you drift over rolling fields for me? Hold me in the highest bough. I'll be your treasure. But in history's rhyme, there's a place and a time, and truth to the gold that the fields cannot hold. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Not something that I ever watched.
Oh, brilliant. Probably still available on iPlayer, I should imagine. Absolutely wonderful.
There we are, John. Something for the weekend.
Something for the weekend, sir.
There we are. Something for the weekend, sir.
Yeah. Right, okay. More by Luck Than Management. I have got us to 10:30.
Wow.
So we're only going to be about 3 or 4 minutes over. Come on, Alan. You've got it strapped to you.
Well, I have got it strapped to me, John. And accordions in space. You may notice on the back of my right hand a rather large bruise. I was playing the accordion the other day, and despite me saying to Wendy, reminding her to hit me where it doesn't show, it was too late because she'd already got the baseball bat in her hand. So,
I mean, you give that woman a bit of a hard time, but I remember last year I actually heard her say that she was sorry. She said she was sorry that she'd ever married you, but she did say she was sorry.
Well, these things happen, John, and they happen by design. You see, I'm put on this planet to as a bit of a challenge for her. I've got a special background. I'm trying to find it here because give me one moment to find my background, John. This has never happened before. We've never had.
Okay, well, while you're finding that, I'll just remind everybody that you can watch all this shite again tomorrow on YouTube when it eventually comes out. You can get the link either on the website on Club Night What Happened or on our Facebook page. And next week is February, and beginning of February, as always, is National Diarrhea Week, and it runs till Thursday. Runs till Thursday?
Oh no.
No ones aren't necessarily the best, are they?
No.
That means we've got to have a song with diarrhea in it next week.
Oh. Now you see how it can go downhill suddenly after 10:30, John. Yeah. Don't forget on Monday to say pinch and a punch to everybody you know before midday. I've got a little background here because this is a song about goats, and I've been accused of looking more like one lately, and this is not popular at home. Not popular at home. And so I have a song about my relatives here. It's called Oes Gafr Eto. It's a Welsh, supposedly traditional song. The verse stays the same every time. It's the chorus that changes. You see how we like to be different? And it involves colours. Oes Gafr Eto. Have you got another goat? Oes heb ei godron. Yes, one that hasn't been milked yet. Ar y creigiau geirwan, mae hen afr yn crwydro. On the rugged rocks, the old goat is wandering. There we are. That's all you have to remember. Oes gafr eto, oes heb ei godron, ar y creigiau geirwan, mae'r hen afr yn crwydro. Gafr wen, i efyn wen, boel cyfan wen, yslis wen ac yn bon, wen, gafr wen, i efyn wen, boel cyfan wen, yslis wen ac yn bon, wen, oes gafr eto, oes heb ei godron, ar y creigiau geirwan, mae'r hen afr yn crwydro. Goch, we'll go. Gafr goch, i efyn goch, boel gyfan goch, yslis goch ac yn bon, goch. Gafr wen, i efyn wen, boel gyfan wen, yslis wen ac yn bon, wen, oes gafr eto, oes heb ei godron, ar y creigiau geirwan, mo'r hen afr yn crwydro. Las, gafr las, i efyn las, boel cyfan las, yslis las ac yn bon, las, gafr goch, i efyn goch, boel gyfan goch, yslis goch ac yn bon, goch, gafr wen, i efyn wen, boel gyfan wen, yslis wen ac yn bon, wen, oes, gafr eto, oes heb ei godron, ar y creigiau geirwan, come on, mae'r hen afr yn crwydro. Melyn, felen. Gafr felen, i efyn felyn, boel cyfan felen, yslis wen ac yn bon, felyn, gafr las, i efyn las, boel cyfan las, yslis las ac yn bon, las, gafr goch, i efyn goch, boel cyfan goch, yslis goch ac yn bon, goch, gafr wen, i efyn wen, boel cyfan wen, yslis wen ac yn bon, wen, oes gafr eto. It's traditional to finish with piws. Oes heb ei godron, ar y creigiau geirwan, mo'r hen afr yn crwydro. Gafr biws, i efyn biws, boel gyfan biws, yslis biws ac yn bon, biws, gafr felyn, i efyn felyn, boel gyfan felyn, yslis wen ac yn bon, felyn, gafr las, i efyn las, boel gyfan las, yslis las ac yn bon, las, gafr goch, i efyn goch, boel gyfan goch, yslis goch ac yn bon, goch, gafr wen, i efyn wen, boel gyfan yslis wen ac yn bon, wen. Thank you all. Traditional song in which nobody died. I think.
Apart from the singer sometimes.
And these are my friends. I do not eat any of these.
I don't believe they're looking at you strangely.
Here's another animal I don't eat.
Right, okay, boys and girls, that's it for another week. So we'll be switching the record off in a second. We'll stop for a little chat afterwards, should anybody want a little chat afterwards. So we're all here next week, and we're glad to see you, and you can see it all on YouTube through the week if you're really bored. Okay.
Costa.
Good night.
Costa, pal.
Good night.
Good night. Very much.
Good night. Thank you. Good night, John, Elizabeth. There we are. We've stopped.